Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To send money on Remitly, firstly go ahead and launch open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in remitly.com and make a search. Log into your Remitly's account and the home page of Remitly will appear on the screen. From the home page, choose an amount that you'd like to send to and choose a delivery speed, whether it's express or economy, and tap on it. After you're done selecting your delivery speed, click on continue. On the next page, choose a delivery method and tap on it. Enter your recipient first and last name and tap on continue. Enter your recipient phone number and click on continue once again. Now all you need to do is follow the prompts till the end, and that is how you will be able to send money on Remitly's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.